Tired of your usual voice on Instagram calls? Let's spice things up and prank your friends with a girl's voice. First, head to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for a reliable voice changer app. There are tons of options, so choose one with good reviews and a user-friendly interface. Once installed, open the app and explore the available voice effects. Look for a girl, female, or similarly named voice option. Before jumping into the Instagram call, tweak the app's settings for optimal performance. Make sure to enable noise reduction to minimize background distractions and adjust the voice quality for the clearest possible output. Now, the key is to keep the voice changer app running in the background while you make your Instagram call. Some apps offer a floating window feature, making it easier to switch effects mid-call. During your Instagram call, simply switch to the girl voice effect whenever you want to surprise your friend. Be mindful of timing, and don't overdo it to keep the prank believable. Remember to practice a bit beforehand to get comfortable with the voice changer app. Most importantly, keep it lighthearted and fun. Prank responsibly and make sure your friend knows it's all in good humor.